All right, let's talk money. Specifically, let's talk about getting your money into Acorns. You've probably heard of Acorns, right? That cool little app that helps you invest your spare change? Yeah, that one. But here's the burning question. Can you actually use good old-fashioned ACH to fund your Acorns account? I mean, think about it. ACH transfers are like the reliable, no-frills workhorse of the banking world. They're steady, they're secure, and they get the job done. So, is this trusty method compatible with the sleek, modern world of Acorns? Let's dive in and find out. First off, let's break down what ACH even is. Just in case you're new to the financial lingo, ACH stands for Automated Clearing House. It's basically an electronic network that banks use to transfer money between accounts. It's how your paycheck gets deposited, how you pay bills, and how you might send money to a friend. So, it's a pretty big deal. Now, Acorns is all about making investing easy. You connect your debit card, it rounds up your purchases to the nearest dollar, and invests the difference. But what if you want to give your investments a little boost? Maybe you've got a bonus coming, or you want to transfer some money from your savings account. That's where ACH could come in handy. So, does Acorns accept ACH? Well, the short answer is, it's complicated. You see, Acorns offers a few different ways to get money in and out of your account. There's the classic roundup feature, which is linked to your debit card. Then there's the option to transfer money directly from your bank account. And this is where things get a bit murky. While Acorns does allow you to transfer money from your bank account, it's not explicitly stated whether they use the ACH network for these transfers. It's possible they do, but it's also possible they use a different method. To be completely sure, you'd have to check with Acorns customer support. But let's say you can't wait for a customer service rep to get back to you. What are your options? Well, you could always try a small test transfer from your bank account to your Acorns account. If the money shows up, there's a good chance it went through the ACH network. But be warned, this is not a foolproof method. Now, even if Acorns doesn't directly accept ACH, there might be workarounds. For example, you could transfer money from your bank account to a PayPal account and then transfer it from PayPal to Acorns. It's an extra step, but it might be an option if you're determined to use ACH. But let's be real, the easiest way to fund your Acorns account is probably just to link your debit card. It's convenient, and it's what the app is designed for. But if you're someone who prefers the control and security of ACH transfers, it's worth doing a bit of extra research. And remember, while I've tried to give you as much information as possible, things can change. Acorns might update their policies, or banking regulations might shift. So, it's always a good idea to check the Acorns website or contact their customer support for the most up-to-date information. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.